It was 6 p.m. Around 6 p.m., many family were home because of the holiday, and I felt the first tremor, the magnitude 7.2. And before I could even react, less than a minute later, a second one hit, even stronger, 7.5. The ground just wouldn't stop moving. You hear cars alarm. You hear the street crumble. You see people running from one place to another. The trees were shaking. It was a horror movie. Everyone was in panic. And now Caracas and the whole country is in a state of emergency. Many places that were damaged, the damage is of course catastrophic. Many buildings just collapsed, crumbled. There were many people that unfortunately they are looking for their families because they're missing people. We have problems with food supply. We have problems with water, with electricity. The internet is inexistent or very weak. So it's very hard to communicate. So we're really trying to get to normal, but we don't know exactly when that is going to happen.
The Secretary General last night spoke to the acting president of Venezuela, Delcy Rodriguez. In the call, he expressed his solidarity with the people and government of Venezuela following the devastating earthquakes. The Secretary General pledged the full cooperation of the UN system in support of the government's led relief efforts. On the ground, the emergency relief coordinator, Tom Fletcher, allocated yesterday $15 million from the Central Emergency Response Fund. All of this to support urgent life-saving assistance, including healthcare, shelter, food, and water. A total of 30 of these teams are deploying to Venezuela, with more than 1,600 personnel, 100 dogs, coming from a wide variety of countries. WFP says it has enough to feed more than 10,000 families for 2 months in Venezuela.